Hey.
We're going for a walk. So maybe we'll go there, but it is a great day. I'm rocking the Boston shirt. Boston!
I'm rocking the Celtics, but you can't see it.
John Champion, go! Drinking that sink water. Baby, the jug is bigger than your head, really, look. It is larger than your head because you're petite. You can't tell there's somewhere behind us. Creeping on us. Creeper. We have a lot of trails. But look, there's a tunnel here. I had no idea about. See, this is cool. Walking, finding out stuff. And the tunnel, there's a little walk there. But we're going to save that till later.
Alright.
We're going to go this way.
There's a trail down here. We don't know where it goes to. Actually, it actually tells us.
You are here.
There's a bug.
That is bug. Watch me kill the bug.
No!
There, boop.
Ew!
I got a finger for you.
Ew, get out. I can't see anything.
Come over this way. I'll hold it for a second. And walk over next to me, baby. See, we're at a little bridge. There's Jenna, there's me. The little river. And this water jug is actually water that we got from Earth. We got it from the river.
Nope.
Alright, let Muscles do it.
Alright, Muscles. Let's go.
I don't think this is gonna budge.
See? Told you.
Maybe, like, if there's
If I can't do it, you can't do it.
No, that's a lie.
No, it's not. It's screwed in.
I don't think it's screwed in.
It's something. Yes, it is.
I just think it's very heavy and hard to open. Like, you probably need the metal piece to go in. But here, get closer to the water. Like, can you, like, actually hear it? Alright. Get really, really close so you can hear it. Hopefully you guys can hear it. Did you hear it? Did you hear it?
I heard it. Oh, which way should we go? This way?
I want to go... Look! There's another one.
This way?
No, there's another one. Let's go to the other one.
No, we
Can you
need to
see
go
it?
to the other one.
You can't... It's really...
Point to it.
It is... Right...
There.
There! Alright, let's go.
No, we're not going that way.
Yeah, let's go this way.
Okay, I'll be over here.
Go! Do a pull up. I don't think it's gonna break. You got it. Yeah!
That's all I can do.
You're supposed to be a flight attendant. You're supposed to be like strong and safe and smart. You can at least do a pull up. Oh, hey, there's a doggy. Doggy! So, honey, real conversation. Are we allowed to film people and their dogs? I think so, because they're in public, right? If you know the answer, comment. If you don't know the answer, don't bitch, but still comment. How you know all this?
They're like barnacles. They're not mushrooms, though.
Barnacles.
That's what I call them.
Do you actually know what they are?
No.
Sure. Yep. Nice.
Ooh, that was
4 perfect ones.
Alright, one more.
Wait, give me a game face.
Ooh, that would have been more, except
It
the rocks
would've.
were in the way.
Yeah. Alright, my turn. You think I can be... My name is Lance Powers, and you didn't know, but I'm a champion water skipper. Rock skipper on water. Man, only 3. Alright, watch again. I got this. You have 4, though. So I think I should beat you. I need this one to work. I need this one to work.
That was horrible. Alright, just give up now. Alright.
Okay, so there's a disc.
This is supposed to expand.
Okay. We are...
Okay, guys.
Maybe you're putting too much water, honey.
Oh, we'll see.
Well, it's soaking out, so that's good. It's still majorly hard there.
That's what she said.
I mentioned I love you. Can you see the seeds?
Yeah, a little bit. That don't look like a lot.
It doesn't. Lance Powers! Shamrocks! Woo! So we have made it out of the wilderness with plants in our satchels. Anonymous. So Jenna doesn't know who Anonymous is, but if you do, apparently Anonymous is here. So okay, so there's lavender, thyme, and French arugula. That's what we're gonna plant.
This is not wet enough.
Get out, cat! Not even phased.
So this is the final product. What we did. Now we just wait. Wait in water. Give them sun. And you should see 3 different flowers. I don't know if you can tell.
I think you can tell JM plus LP. You like it? Call him.
Sit down. He's looking.